Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to change the font size on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone and scroll down and tap on the display and brightness option. Find the option that says text size and tap on it. You will see a slider that lets you adjust the text size. Slide left for smaller text and slide right for the larger text. Then the maximum size is the biggest font you can get on your iPhone. Then if you want bolder text, go back to display and brightness and turn on the bold text option. Now you can see every text is bold now. This makes the font easier to read. That's it. Now you know how to change the font size on your iPhone. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.